Hey LA dreamers, ready to build your dream home or open that trendy cafe? Before you dive in, there's a hidden maze you need to navigate: permits. Skipping this could mean thousands in fines, major delays, or even a project shutdown. Permits aren't just stacks of annoying paperwork. Think of them as LA's stamp of approval, ensuring your building is safe and up to code. Whether it's a new wall, wiring, or plumbing, it all has to meet city standards. In short, permits are your key to making sure your space is ready for business or for your family. Let's run through the essentials for projects in LA. This is the big one. 4 new rooms, an accessory dwelling unit, like that trendy backyard tiny house, or major remodels, you'll need a building permit. Anything that changes the structure requires one, with blueprints showing what you're building, how big it is, and even the materials you'll use. Planning to upgrade wiring or add some energy-efficient lighting, you'll need an electrical permit. And if you're adding fixtures or reworking the plumbing, like a new tub or water lines for that dream kitchen remodel, that's a plumbing permit. Finally, HVAC work, like upgrading to an efficient system, requires a mechanical permit to ensure everything's safe and up to code.
Gota business idea?
Especially if it's food-related, you'll need a health department permit for handling or serving food. And let's not forget fire department approval. If you're adding sprinklers, alarms, or anything that impacts fire exits, you need this stamp of approval. So you know what permits you need. Now let's walk through how to get them. First, check your zoning on the LA Department of Building and Safety (LADBS) website. Zoning restrictions define what you can build and where, so make sure your project matches up. LA is all about thorough planning. You'll need blueprints showing your project details, measurements, and safety info. You can submit these through the LADBS portal, which also has tools like a zoning code search and project checklists. Organized plans can save tons of time. Once you've got your plans ready, submit your application and pay your fees. Fees vary based on project scale, from a few $100 to several thousand, and LADBS even has calculators to help you estimate. After submitting, the city reviews your plans for code compliance. You might get feedback, called corrections, with changes needed to meet standards. Be ready to make adjustments. This stage can take time, but staying flexible keeps things moving. Once you're approved, you get your permits. But there's still more to do. For most projects, you'll need inspections along the way, like an electrical inspection before closing up walls. A final inspection makes sure everything is safe and meets code. Need to move faster? Here are a few pro tips. Consider hiring a permit expediter. These pros know the process inside out and handle the paperwork, revisions, and LADBS check-ins for you. For complex projects, they can save time and help you avoid roadblocks. LA codes change often, so check LADBS or permitplace.com for updates, especially if your project's ongoing. It's way easier to adjust now than during inspections. Keep copies of permits, revisions, and inspection approvals. They're essential for future buyers, insurance, and if questions pop up later. There you have it. Permits may seem like a hassle, but they're a blueprint for building safely in LA. Whether it's your dream kitchen or your new cafe, getting permits from the start means a smoother project from start to finish. Good luck and happy building!